So every year there's these awesome hot dog eating contests, and they gather some data where they had the number of minutes the people were eating, and the number of hot dogs eaten. Okay? So typically you give them more time, a lot more hot dogs are eaten. So what I want to talk about in this one is this idea of residual. Now residual, all we can do is predict, right? But we got to have a way of saying how good are our predictions. Do we do a good job or not? And which direction do we miss in? So that's the idea of a residual. So let me tell you, I made of this data, I made a scatter, made a line of best fit, and I figured out that it's y equals 12x plus 1. Lines of best fit are good at making our predictions. Okay. So we have our first contestant, and in 5 minutes he ate 54 hot dogs. Okay, that's pretty ridiculous, but let's see how that goes compared to everyone else and compared to our prediction. So the way to calculate residual is our residual is the actual minus the predicted. So we figured out that he actually ate 54 hot dogs. We need to come up with a prediction. Well, here's our line of best fit. We're given at 5 minutes he actually ate 54, so we need to find at 5 minutes what is our prediction. Well, I'm going to use my line of best fit to solve this problem. So that's y equals 12 times 5 plus 1, which is 61. So I would have predicted that he ate 61. So our residual is 54 minus 61, which is 7, negative 7. So negative 7. So negative 7 means he was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. His dot was 7 below where we expected it to be. Someone else can come along and they can, let's say they took 4 minutes. They took 4 minutes to eat 60 hot dogs. So already you can tell this is a more prolific eater, right? So we need the same thing. Actual minus predicted. Actually ate 60. What would we predict? Well, I'm going to plug in that 4 for x to make a prediction with my line of best fit. So 12 times 4 is 48, plus 1 is 49. So this person went 11 above what we predicted. So they went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's where their dot is, plus 11 from where we expected it to be. Some things that I took for granted in this problem is I just created this line of best fit from fictional data. I would either give you the data or give you the line of best fit. If you had the data, you could make the line of best fit with your calculator.